diagnostic test for this patient. Okay, and the presentation clearly says that it's a ringworm infection, right, in your corpus, and it's asking the culture medium. Okay, and it could be used, but I will tell you why it's not used. Okay, so first of all, why is KOH used? KOH prep is the easiest and most cost efficient. Okay, you just take a sample from the edge of the lesion, smear it on the slide, and add KOH, and just look at it. It's pretty cheap, and it gets the job done with minimum expenditure. So that makes sense. Okay, Woods lamp. Woods lamp is also something that can be used, but again, it's not used because it's not as sensitive. So yeah, unfortunately, Woods lamp, well, it was a confusion, again, can cause confusion. Now, this is usually used in fungal infections, which are more serious or complicated. Okay, this could be used in cases of dermatophytes when the diagnosis is unclear. Like, say, if you do a KOH prep and still you don't know what it is, like you can't visualize everything properly, or for some reason you can't be sure that the diagnosis is dermatophytes, then you can go for SDA. Okay, and also it's more expensive, right? So it takes more time. So that's why it's not recommended. Yeah, and Eten agar. Basically, it has sterols, right? That is used by mycoplasma to incorporate into its own cell membrane. Okay, and next option was Thayer-Martin medium, right? Thayer-Martin, like you guys already know, it's for Nigeria, right? It's a chocolate agar. Remember that, chocolate agar, and it has combination of antimicrobials to suppress the growth of other organisms. Okay, so they do ask you what antimicrobials are used. So that's vancomycin, colistin, and nystatin. Okay, if you guys can remember that, great. If not, it's still fine. Most important thing is it's a chocolate agar, okay, and it contains antimicrobials. So it's just not some ordinary chocolate agar. Okay, now let's look at the treatment for this. Okay, treatment for dermatophytes. So first line is topical. You give topical antifungals, right? Like clotrimazole and terbinafine. And if that doesn't work, then you go for oral antifungals. Okay, topical and then oral.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.